We are making orange ice slushy. We need the orange juice, we need the yogurt, and we need the ice cubes. And then we need honey. So we measure the honey in the measuring cup. We squeeze the honey out into the measuring cup. We put the ice cubes in the blender. We put the yogurt in the blender. So we have orange juice in the blender. And then we run the blender. And our orange ice slushy is ready. Then we serve, and then we can introduce the math. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cups ready. Thank you.